The following is an example of Power Automate Desktop capturing keystrokes or inserting keystrokes into a AS400 terminal emulator, opening up Excel in the background, looping through the Excel rows, and inserting those into a table, inserting the values into a table on the AS400 machine. So we can kick this automation off by with a Cloudflow. In this case here I'm not, but we can wait for files on OneDrive or SharePoint to be created or added, and this could kick off and essentially insert items into an AS400 machine. So what I'm doing is launching a session. It's going to log in, and then it's going to go through a series of menus to get to the SQL command, and then it's going to go ahead and open up that Excel spreadsheet in the background, and it's going to grab all the rows or loop through the rows in the Excel spreadsheet, and then just using an insert statement to grab the values or insert the values into the table. And then once it's done, I think there's a dozen or so rows here, it's going to go ahead and shut or close the Excel process in the background, and it's going to also go back through the menus and close the actual terminal emulator session as well, and then we're done. So I can deploy this, run this on my desktop, but ultimately you would or could run it in unattended mode on a VM instance of your choosing, so that it would just run as needed once the new files are found on some drive mapped to the process.